Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to reset an Epson printer model L3251. Since this type of printer, when it reaches the maximum number of prints given by the factory, crashes and does not let us print, displaying this message on our computer and also the lights that you saw previously. But here in this video, I will teach you how to fix it. Well guys, the first thing we will do is download the resetter, which I will leave the download link in the description of the video. Once downloaded, you will open the folder, obviously unzipped, and you will run this program that says addpro.exe, but as administrator. Run it and this window will open where you will have to press select, as you see in the video. In this window, you will have to select the printer model, which is the Epson model L, and press OK. Then this window will open and you will have to press the particular adjustment mode button and then select the option that says waste and pad counter and press the OK button. We press it and this window will open where you will have to check all those boxes and press check. Here it tells us that the printer reached 100% of the prints given from the factory, so it needs to be reset again. Therefore, we select the first box and then press the reset button. We press accept, we wait, and the program tells us that we have to turn the printer off and on again. So we do it. We turn off our printer, we wait a little bit, and then we turn it on. We wait for it to do the whole process without stopping it, and we wait until the light stops blinking. And as you can see, our printer is completely active to print again. As you can see, the process is quite simple. I hope you guys liked the video, and as always, I leave you the invitation to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.